Today we're taking a look at the Maono WM820 wireless mic system. With a transmission range of up to 50 meters, automatic pairing, a built-in antenna, this truly sounds like a decent buy. Hey, how's it going? I'm Dom and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this, the Maono WM820 wireless microphone system. For those of you who are new to my channel, over the last couple of months or so, I've been religiously using this. This is the Maono WM820 microphone system. It's a lapel mic, but it's a pretty decent lapel mic. I mean, recording quality wise, I've managed to get some pretty decent recordings out of this. But one thing that has always been annoying to me is the extremely long cable that this comes with. I guess it gets tangled up a little bit every now and then, and at the same time it's just a hassle, especially when trying to record outdoors. That's why when Maono reached out to me with their wireless mic system, I just couldn't say no. I mean, it is an item I was looking to invest in. Whether this is the one that I actually want, that's another question, but I guess time will only tell. Now, whilst Maono did send this to me to try out, all views and opinions are my own. So, let's start with checking out what we get inside of the box. Let's take a closer look at this cool looking box. Feature-wise, it comes with a transmission range of up to 50 meters, automatic pairing, a built-in antenna, zero latency monitorable receiver, and external lavalier support. The microphone itself is omnidirectional, it can support a lavalier mic, it's got your output volume controls, as well as mute. And just below that is the stuff that you get inside of the box, which is very generous. Okay, I really like how this is presented, and it's very nice and easy to unbox. Okay, so inside of the box we have a quick start guide. Now, as for the devices, they appear to be clip-on. Now, one thing I'm already seeing is the fact that it's USB-C, which is a huge thumbs up for me. Put that to the side. You've got several different cables here. This is the phone cable. It actually comes labeled. You've got a lavalier mic. Clip is very strong. It comes with a nice pouch for safekeeping. It comes with another cable. This is for the camera. So obviously there is a difference there. And it comes with two of these fluffy things, which... Okay, so let's put all of this to one side and take a closer look at the product. These are the devices. They actually are really light and they look pretty stylish at the same time. Both of them are USB-C. And yeah, they do actually look pretty cool. Now, there are other things in here as well. It comes with two USB-A to USB-C cables, which is also pretty decent. I like when the manufacturers put their logos on even the cables, because it does show that they care about the product. It's also very nice to see that these cable ties are attached. Okay, so it's now time to test out this microphone system to see how good it is. At present I'm using the Boya WM820 microphone, which once again is a very decent mic. It's probably one of my favorite mics that I ever used on this channel for this sort of thing. But let's have a look at what the wireless microphone system by Maono has in store for us. Okay, so I am now recording using the Maono mic. Now, I have no idea what it sounds like. I haven't actually tried it yet, but fingers crossed it sounds pretty decent. Taking a closer look at these devices, the first thing I find extremely useful about them is the fact that you get a clip on both of the devices. So what you can do is you can clip it onto yourself, or you can clip it onto your camera mount, that's on the other device, which is actually pretty decent. So I'm just going to clip this to my pocket for the time being. And the way I set my filming rig up at the moment is I simply... now the way I've set up my filming rig at the minute is like this. So as you can see, I'm currently using one of these cool looking filming grids. I've got my Pixel 6 Pro connected into there. And on top here, if you look closely, I've got one of these mics attached in one of these cool looking holes, which you can also put in a light as well as another mic. Once again, I am absolutely unaware what this sounds like, but let's test it. So this is me talking to the mic close up. Hopefully it sounds pretty decent. And now I'm going to move it slightly further away from me. And I don't know what that sounds like, but hopefully it sounds pretty decent. Now the next thing I want to try and do is something that I do with quite a few of my mic tests, and that's do a bit of a pop test. I don't expect this to perform that well because you don't have a proper pop filter, but you do have this foamy cover. So pop, 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 pop. Now already, one of the things I am noticing about this is that the clip is actually quite stiff, which is actually pretty decent because a lot of these clips I've had in the past, well, they don't tend to be that stiff. I mean, if I compare it to the Boya, it just doesn't feel as stiff anymore. And that might be because the mic isn't new anymore. I have had it for quite a while, but this just feels so much stiffer, so much stronger. I'm not sure what this thing here is about. I guess if anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Okay, so for the next part of this video, we are taking the mic outside and we are testing a few things. For starters, you don't actually have to use the wired lapel because the device itself has a mic just here. So if I wanted to, I could literally disconnect this and talk to it like that. I could even, if I have a waistcoat or something, I could sort of connect it to my waistcoat and talk from there. So if we connect that back in again. So now it's time to do a bit of a range test. So I'm pretty close to the mic at the minute, but if I move back, hopefully hopefully it hasn't lost any of the connectivity. Now if I move back even further, once again, no idea what it sounds like, but I'm hoping that it hasn't lost any connectivity. So yeah, hopefully it hasn't lost any connectivity once again. Now today is quite a windy day, so one of the things I want to do is test how it handles with the wind. So hopefully you can't hear any of it, but it wouldn't surprise me if you can, as once again it is pretty windy. Back to the studio. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. And if you are interested in getting your hands on one of these, check out the link down below, where not only will you be supporting the channel, but you'll also be supporting this awesome brand. So do check the links out down below. And whilst you're there, do check out my weekly newsletter, where I send weekly updates from behind the scenes at Tech with Dom. Till next time.